Hey there mga my love! Crayos, thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So bago natin simulan ang reading nito for you guys, reminders na hindi ito for everybody. So just pick up the messages you think ay para sa iyo. At kung feel mo na ang reading na tayo for you, then this reading might be really for you. Yan, no? So ang pang hinihintay natin, no? By the way, this is timeless at wala tayong gender. Yan, dumigay ako. Excuse me. So let's keep moving. Spirits and angels, Gabriel, Angel Michael. Thank you so much for being here with us in this reading for my Aquarius people. Messages for my Aquarius people. Can you please give us, show us what this Aquarius needs to know? What this Aquarius needs to know? Mukhang may malalaman ka, Aquarius. Pero yung malalaman mo na yan ay magdadagdag ng confidence sa'yo. Yan. So, pwedeng yan ay isang magandang balita. Kasi I'm seeing your energy changing positively. Let's go ahead and check out the messages for you, Aquarius. Ilatag naman na natin ang lahat ng energy sa ating table para makita natin ang mensahe ng magdadagdag ng confidence pala, ha? Commitment it is. And look at that. I'm seeing a groom and a bride. This is long-term relationship. Yan. If this person here is already in your life, like boyfriend, girlfriend mo na siya, or you're married right here, kung married kayo, I'm seeing your bond getting deeper and deeper pa. Magdi-deepen pa lalo yung inyong connection ng iyong spouse, or kung kayo naman ay mag-boyfriend or girlfriend, I'm seeing it taking to the next level, like marriage, yung serious commitment, true commitment, long-term, yeah, definitely, this is someone here who is really wanting to commit to you, involve you into his or her life and world, definitely. So yeah, if this person is still not okay, into your life, maaring yan mga babes, no, ay, malalaman mo, no, things will come to light, no. It will add up to your confidence, no, kasi, yan, no, maybe, kasi nakukuha ko yung mga energy ni iba mahiyain, yan, no. So, nakikita ko dito, uy, matalino siya, ha. Nakita ko yun. Ay, nakita mo, miss yan. Nakita ko yung, excuse me, nakita ko yung bag na may katabing mga librong patong-patong. So, pwedeng mahilig siyang magbasa ng books. Actually, yung setup ng nakita ko has something to do with the classroom. So, pwedeng may estudyante pa rito, or pwedeng nung estudyante siya is nag-aaral siyang mabuti or matalino siya. Yan, no? This is someone here who do not rush when it comes to decision. So, yan, no? So, a commitment, a higher level, a deeper commitment is coming towards you, and that will come to light, and I think that will add up to your confidence right here. Yeah, the time is ripe with the tick-tock right here. See? The time has come for you to experience this relationship. Okay? This is a serious relationship. Yung totoong-totoo na talaga. Wala nang naglalaro, hindi ka paglalaroan nito, no? This is the one for you, honey. This is the one for you, Sagittarius, okay? At hindi ko alam, pwedeng maging sunset wedding ito, no? Or baka beach wedding ito, no? Yan. Yun ang magiging tema ng iba sa inyo if you're getting married with this person here, or you're about to get married na with this person. Okay? That is one of the things na pag-uusapan ninyo together with the wedding planner. Okay? The tema of that wedding. Wow. Wow. We're hearing that song. You know that song? I'm gonna marry your daughter and make her my wife. I want her to be the only girl that I love for the rest of my life. See? Marry your daughter and make her my wife. So, someone here will eventually pwedeng malaman mo no na hinihingi na pala ng boyfriend or girlfriend mo or hihingi nitong person na to ang kamay mo sa iyong parents. So, because it's what I got, 'di ba? Una pa lang. So, yeah. See, involved of others, no? This person needs help from other people around you, Aquarius. That's what I'm picking up. This person is really focused on you. Wala siyang ibang eyes kundi for you nang talagang laki ng eyes niya rito. Alam mo, this person for others of you, maaring literal na green ang kanyang eyes. This is giving me this kind of energy that for others of you, this could be a foreigner, maybe someone from a different country, or maybe meron siya ditong halo or dugo, no, ng banyaga. So whatever the case may be, just take how this resonates, okay? That's not applicable to everybody, no? Miss yan sa akin, hindi naman foreigner. Eh, hindi naman foreigner yung iba sa inyo mga babes na magiging kadil ninyo, no? Na-mention lang natin because we're also getting that. Pero pwede rin kapwa, Pinoy yan. Basta someone here with this focus, this person is really giving me the vibe na super contento siyang nakikita ka. Super light lang ng energy nakikita ka. Like, how it says, yeah, stress reliever. This person is seeing you as a stress reliever right here. Aquarius. Nice. Oh! Clinking. Muntik na mabulol. Clinking of, two of cups. See? Commitment nga talaga ito. So, you really found your true match here, Aquarius. See? There's agreement, there's commitment, there's this two of cups, you're on the same page of this person. You both want the same thing. You have both same plans in the future. This is you. Nagki-click kayo talaga. No, this is you. There's really an open heart to heart na ang tawag nito, bukas kayo, no, sa communication pagdating sa isa't isa, no, and I'm saying you're very comfortable with each other, no, like hindi nyo na kailangan pa na parang, ay hindi ako nag-toothbrush, yan. Ay hindi ako nakapag-suklay, hindi ako nakapag-makeup, like okay lang. Okay, okay lang. So whatever the case may be, it's not a problem. You both see each other right here, no, as you are the most beautiful or the most handsome person on earth for him or her without makeup on or without you toothbrushing. Toothbrushing. Hi and hello sa grammar teacher ko. Ano, yan. Okay. Kahit na, no, parehas kayo rito na kayo pa rin ang pinakamaganda at pinakagwapo sa mata ng isa't isa, no? And that's what really matters because this person is really not looking for someone here who is a display or who is someone here na attractive talaga, no, physically or whatever, no. I'm not saying na wala kayong itsura, no, don't get me wrong. Sinasabi ko lang, ano ba kayo, no? Syempre, mga itsura kayo, mga mahal, no? It's just that, this person, you found the right one. Kasi hindi siya tumitingin sa panlabas na anyo. Kayo naman, no? Baka yung iba sensitive. Gusto niya sinabi niya na parang di niya lang diniretso na syong. Ako, noy! Wala akong sinasabing ganun na. Masyado kayong judgmental. Si, palakas na ng palak. Oy, maybe you're dealing with Saji. Yan, no? Nakuha ko yung energy na to sa kanila, no, mga babes, no? Same energy na to. Sabi ko sa kanila, maaring kasama kayo doon sa reading natin. May energy tayong nakuha rito, nakaparehas no reading natin kanina. No, kanina yung ating collective reading na ang title ay Super Strong ng Connection Ninyo. Yan, yung title noon, mga babes, no? You might want to watch that too. Kasi, yun yung nakikita ko rito. So, you will really get reunited here with your one true love. Like the waves is really palakas ng palakas, pataas ng pataas ang intensity, ang frequency, and you're almost really, no? Alam mo yung parang, alam mo nakikita ko yung A Walk to Remember scene, no? That scene of Landon Carter and Jamie Sullivan. Yeah, I know that because that's my favorite movie, duh. So, so yung scene doon, no, kung saan nakatayo si Jamie, no, sa gitna, no, sa pagitan ng dalawang magkahati na lugar, no. As in, yung half ng body niya, no, is dun sa isang pangalan ng place, and then sa kabila is naman yung iba naman na pangalan ng place. So, like, this person here is actually super near na, no? Tumatawid na siya ngayon between worlds, no? At kung hindi pa to dumadating sa buhay ninyo, patawid na nga siya, kaya ako nga nakita yon, no? And if this person is already in your life, handa siyang tumawid rito sa next level, eh, kung ikaw lang rin naman ang makakasama niya. Hmm. See, whatever the case may be, I'm picking up that there's the karmic cycle ending this one. That's what I'm picking up, no? Dahil nag-iiba na ang iyong energy right here. But I'm seeing someone here who wants to talk to you, no? Realizing na, alam mo kasi yung glow up mo, tinan mo tong sunflower. Yung glow up mo kasi iba, yung nakikita ko rito. Nakikita niya rito na happy ka, gusto ka niya ulit makausap. Actually, this person wants to ask you. Ang dami niyang bagay na gustong itanong sa'yo. Sino ba yung miss yan? Yung ex ko, ayan, no? This person finds you as someone here na mas yummy looking ka daw ngayon. No? See, tingnan niya sa'yo donut, diba? There's this past person right here, okay, na nakikita ko na nauuhaw sa'yo. Kasi, gumaganda ka daw lalo rito, no? Pero sino ba siya? Eh, meron na nga kayong kakonek dito. Tsaka may papasok na rito sa buhay ninyo, no? Tsaka hindi na kayo yung dati rito na, kung papansin mo dalawa yung saksakan, okay, lumipat na kayo. So, whatever the case may be, this is you ending this karmic cycle right here. Pero ba't siya lumalabas, Miss Yan? Bakit nandyan siya? Kasi, tumutungtong na kayo, tama ba yung word ko? Tumutungtong or tumatapak na kayo, no? Sa new chapter ng inyong libro, sa inyong new chapter ng life ninyo, no? Kaya talagang it's just a push and a pull because you're now focused in the new world, okay? Na binubuo mo together with this very loving energy. Talagang mahahatak mo itong person na to from your past. Yan, no? Pero magiging hanggang obsession ka na lang niya, magiging hanggang gusto ka na lang niya kausapin, pero hindi, no, maaari ka niya kausapin, no, for the upcoming days or weeks right here. See? I think before 2023 ends, no, pero yun nga mga mahal, no, nakikita ko rito na marami siyang gustong itanong sa'yo. At isa na dyan yung, masaya ka ba ngayon sa feeling niya? Or masaya ka ba ngayon na single ka pa ngayon at papasok pa lang tong new love sa buhay mo, no? Isa yan. Marami siyang tanong sa'yo, no? Pero hindi naman yan mabilisan na parang kay Tito Boy, no? Na fast talk, di ba? Marami siyang gustong itanong sa'yo, pero sa dulo ng pag-uusap na yan, nakikita ko, no, na wala rin siyang mapapala rito kasi kina-cut off mo na siya. Iba na yun. Nag-change na yung energy mo. Nag-plug ka na into new energy. Hindi ka na yung dating nasa babang energy, no? Dahil ito, nag-level up ka na, no? Level up, level up, level up. Yan. Sumayaw. So, yun nga, no, Aquarius, itong nakikita natin mensahe, no, na powerful for you guys. You might want to check that out. That super strong ng connection ninyo, collective reading, no, that I posted earlier today. So, thank you so much. Sana ngayon, love and light. Annyeong.